Welcome to Azure Databricks Data Engineering Build a Lakehouse. In this course, we aren't just going to talk about data engineering concepts. We're going to build a live industrial grade application from scratch. My name is Sakibul Hassan. I have spent the last 15 years working as a data engineer for Fortune 500 companies. I'm excited to guide you through the process of turning raw, messy government data into professional investment insights that you can show off in your portfolio. Dubai is one of the world's fastest moving real estate markets, with billions in transactions happening every day. But if you've ever looked at the raw data feeds from government sources, you know it's a jungle. It's inconsistent, full of gaps, and requires hours of boring manual work in Excel just to get a basic report. Most analysts are stuck in this cycle every single morning. Today, we are going to change that. We are going to build an automated data factory. Imagine a system that wakes up all by itself at 6 a.m. every morning. It connects to the source, pulls down the latest transactions, cleans them using professional engineering standards, and updates a live dashboard, all before you've had your first cup of coffee. This is what modern data engineering looks like, and this is exactly what you are going to build. Here is the end goal: a stunning, fully interactive dashboard. You'll be able to track the total sales volume and transaction counts per month, identify which areas have the highest sales activity, and instantly spot supply and inventory demand. And remember, this will be a living application connected to the cloud that refreshes itself automatically every day. To get there, we will move through four critical phases. First, we'll set up our professional cloud environment for free. Next, we'll integrate Git for professional DevOps. Then comes the core build, the three-stage medallion pipeline. And finally, we'll automate everything and connect it to a Databricks native dashboard. Let's stop talking and start building. I'll see you in the next lecture where we dive into the architecture. Thank you.